Terry, you have a chance to talk with Mayor Nenshi. Go ahead.
Yeah, I wanted to know if the city is going to build a berm on the Elbow River.
The elbow or the bow?
The Elbow.
A berm. Do we need a berm?
Oh, we need lots of berms. So let me fill you in on the plans for the Elbow River currently. The Elbow River, as you well know, is very twisty. So where berms on the Bow River can protect a lot of homes and workplaces with relatively small berms, the Elbow is the opposite, where relatively large berms protect relatively small property. So part of the solution on the Elbow River has to be upstream mitigation. And there were 3 projects we were looking at to mitigate the upstream: the Springbank Reservoir, a reservoir at McLean Creek, and the Glenmore Elbow Diversion Tunnel. And I have always maintained, and the city has always maintained, that we need more than one of those. So the government of Alberta has announced the Springbank Reservoir. That's a big deal. It is not very likely that they're going to go forward with any of the other 2, so we need what I call the 1+ strategy. And that is a very large reservoir at Springbank, but also what I call brute force mitigation, and that includes berms and fortifying the riverbank at various places where it makes sense to do so. So we're in the middle of a massive project now to determine exactly what that fortification looks like along the Elbow. And this announcement that was just made about the demolishment of the homes that the government bought out is also part of that, because some of that land might actually be quite helpful in terms of protecting the nearby homes from flooding. So that work is underway. We're in public consultation now, and we'll continue doing that work. And I'll answer the question you didn't ask, which is what about the Bow? We spent a lot of our time on the Elbow because it's a thornier engineering problem, and we started with that one first. But the government of Alberta and the City of Calgary now are turning their attention towards better mitigation solutions on the Bow upstream of Calgary, beyond working with the TransAlta Dam at the Ghost Reservoir. So we will continue to work on that as well, but this remains, even 2 years after the flood, an extraordinary high priority for us.